Welcome to the EdbMails EML to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails EML to PST converter lets you easily convert EML files, including emails with attachments, metadata, and folder structure, into Outlook-compatible PST format. You can add multiple EML files, preserve their original formatting, and even split the output into separate PST files if needed. EdbMails supports files from clients like Windows Live Mail, Thunderbird, and more. With a simple interface and fast, reliable performance, it ensures data integrity and works with all versions of Microsoft Outlook. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of converting EML to PST using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select EML, MSG Export to Outlook PST. Select EML to PST. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse EML folder. Select the EML folder for export. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Click Next to continue. Click on File to preview all the items. Select the EML folder that you wish to export. Click Next to continue. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the export operation report. Now, launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Select Exported PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free EML to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.